Koenigsegg has once again proven why it sits at the very top of automotive performance. On August 7, 2025, at the Örebro airfield, factory test driver Markus Lundh took the Jesko Absolut to a new world record for the 0 to 400 to 0 kilometers per hour challenge, setting an incredible time of 25.21 seconds. This achievement not only surpassed Koenigsegg's own 2024 record, but also reaffirmed its dominance over every other manufacturer chasing this crown. The secret behind this blistering performance was not a brand new car, but the same Jesko Absolut used in last year's run, now enhanced with improved software strategies under the name Absolut Overdrive. These updates will soon be rolled out to all customer cars, allowing every Jesko Absolut owner to experience the same gains achieved during this record-breaking event. Christian von Koenigsegg, the company's founder and chief executive officer, praised the teamwork and seamless communication between the in-house drivetrain systems, cutting-edge software architecture, and world-class mechanical engineering. Even under less than ideal conditions, with a damp track drying from earlier rainfall, the car's twin turbocharged 5.0-liter V8, ultra-low drag design, and advanced traction control strategies worked in harmony to deliver unmatched results. The official verified numbers were jaw-dropping: 0 to 400 to 0 kilometers per hour in 25.21 seconds, 0 to 400 kilometers per hour in 16.77 seconds, and 400 to 0 kilometers per hour in 8.44 seconds. For those using miles per hour, the Absolut achieves 0 to 250 to 0 miles per hour in 25.67 seconds, 0 to 250 miles per hour in 17.18 seconds, and 250 to 0 miles per hour in 8.49 seconds. These runs were all measured and confirmed with industry-standard RaceLogic equipment. Christian also revealed that the improvements came from refinements to the light-speed transmission, engine management system, and a newly developed torque control system that manages grip more precisely than ever before. He emphasized how remarkable it is that a rear-wheel drive combustion-powered production car can outperform even the fastest all-wheel drive electric hypercars in a straight line. Koenigsegg has once again shown that records are made to be broken, and sometimes the most surprising part is not the speed itself, but how it is achieved. If you enjoy seeing groundbreaking automotive achievements like this, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.